Christmas 2008. Present from Austin to Daddy.
Take one. It's heavy.
No way.
Interesting. As I open this, I have absolutely no clue whatsoever. No clue. No way. Is this like... Is this...
There you go.
This better be just a box. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Austin. Honey, thank you.
You're welcome. That's from Austin.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I have my very own Xbox. That is crazy. Thank you, Austin. Oh my gosh. I know this broke the rules though. This wasn't $50. Yeah, right.
We got it on sale. We have coupons.
Thank you. Wow, that is awesome. And then there's another one from Amber and Casey.
From the dog.
From the dog. Oh, wow. That is exactly what I wanted. A man-sized fleece blanket. Thank you. I mean, thank you, Casey. Amber, thank you, girls. Thank you, Amber. I hope you didn't get this just so you could chew it up, because you like to chew on it. Thank you. Thank you, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you. Oh my God, I'm still... I'm in shock. Oh, jeez. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Why are you still videotaping?
I don't know why you're still videotaping.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Now let's have